Hello everyone, if you have a problem with Visual Studio and you don't see syntax highlighting, auto-completion is not working, error warnings don't show, don't worry. I will show you a simple fix. In Unity, go to Edit, Preferences, External Tools. Make sure that Visual Studio is selected for External Script Editor. Then click on Regenerate Project Files. And that should work. Open the script again through Unity. You can see color highlights and auto-completion. Additionally, you can open Visual Studio Installer. You will see the list of versions that you have. Click on Modify button. Make sure that Game Development with Unity is selected and click on Modify. Also, you can update to a newer version. I would say that the best option to install Visual Studio for Unity is from Unity Hub. When you choose the version of Unity Editor, make sure that you select and include Visual Studio. Then repeat the first step from the video. That's it, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video.